getting on in years. She's gone past 89. When I ask how she's feeling, says, oh, guess I'm doing fine. Better than I thought I would since your daddy passed away. But his azaleas are in bloom now, and I miss him so much today. There sits an old piano neath a portrait on the wall, but her hands are so frail now and no longer play at all. And her voice that was so lovely, so sweet and so strong, it's now just a whisper and no longer lives in song. So when it's time for leaving, she hopes for just one thing, that when she gets to heaven, oh, she hopes they let her sing for the joy. She'll sing away the fear. She would sing for all her children and their children through the years. She would sing for the one who gave us everything. Oh, when she gets to heaven, she hopes they let her sing. Let her sing. Let her sing. Of the day, she rests upon her pillow and folds her hands to pray. She asks for his blessings for all those she holds dear, and as she closes her eyes, I could not help but hear, I am so very thankful. But I ask for one last thing, that when I get to heaven, I hope